Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Podio account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you delete an app from your Podio? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to delete an app from your Podio Workspace anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, managing your business through Podio, you know they have a lot of different apps, and sometimes you install an app that's not really relevant to your business. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process handled here in your Podio dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Podio, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to delete an app you added to a workspace, here on the left side, you're going to click on the workspaces. Once you do that, scroll through until you see the workspace you want to delete the app for. So for example, right here, Chinese food team. Once you click there, you're going to see all the apps you currently have installed. So you can see I have companies and I have deals. So go ahead and choose the app that's not relevant to your company. So for example, this one, companies. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see the app, and then the name of the app right here is companies. Off to the right, you're going to see a little branch. Click on there. Once you do that, you're going to see a drop-down menu, and you want to click on the trash can delete app. All right, once you do that, you're going to get this warning that once you delete the app, it's going to delete all the content for all users permanently. It's not recoverable. If you're okay with that, just click in this little box and then just type in delete this app, and then click on here, delete this app. All right, quick second later, the page refreshes, and now you can see that app has now been removed from my Podio Workspace. So I'm not going to be able to use it again unless I add it in once again. So there you have it guys. If you're wondering how to delete an app in your Podio Workspace, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.